Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about distinct statement in SQL. So the select distinct statement is used to return only distinct different values. Inside a table, a column often contains many duplicate values, and sometimes you only want to list the distinct or unique values. Here is the syntax. Select distinct column 1, column 2 and so on from table name. Let's quickly see in SQL Server how we can use distinct. Let's open SQL Server, select the database and click on new query. We have created multiple tables during the SQL Server tutorial. Just drag and drop one of the existing table, that is customers. Let's select the star, see what are the columns and data we have here, and then we will apply the distinct based on our requirement. Let's say I want to see here, let's just select a query and then change here the city. Let's see what all city we have here. We can see that a duplicate value Redmond and all other are not duplicate, so there is a distinct, we can say that. So how we can see that the distinct city in this query? So we just need to use distinct before this column. Just select the query and then execute it. In this case, we will receive only 7 rows, and we can see that all are. Let's do one more change here. Just put the city here, and then we will see together the difference. In the so just select this one first, and then we'll see 9 rows are there. You can see that the duplicate is Redmond, and any other duplicate values we don't. Let's select it, and then we can see that now it is a 7 records. So these are distinct records. We cannot see any repeated content or repeat word here. We won't see that. So this is how we can use the distinct. Another way of using this is to just execute it and then see. Let's say I want to see the customer column in the distinct. Let's put it here and then use this. Just copy paste here the distinct one and then change the customer name, and then select this query and execute. We can see that Mohan was earlier, it was just run the execute first query and then see here Mohan, and then any other name is duplicating? No. So Mohan is repeating here, and the rows are 9, right? So if you put the distinct on the column customer name and execute this query, you can see that it is 8th record because Mohan was coming as a distinct. So this is how we can use the distinct keyword with the select query. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.